Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, let's think about the numbers we use every day in our lives. When you count how many toys you have, keep track of the number of pages you've read in a book, or even measure the time left for a game, you're working with whole numbers. Whole numbers are simple numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and they form the basic building blocks of math. Imagine you're organizing a party and need to count the number of guests or distribute snacks equally. Whole numbers help you easily manage these tasks without needing fractions or decimals. They're like the friendly numbers that help us in daily life, whether it's for counting, measuring, or solving simple problems. Let us explore. Understanding whole numbers will make many everyday tasks easier and show how math can be fun and useful. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: identify whole numbers and their properties, including natural numbers and zero. Differentiate between whole numbers and natural numbers on a number line. Learn to perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication with whole numbers on a number line. Understand patterns and use them to simplify arithmetic calculations with whole numbers. Keywords from this lesson are whole numbers, natural numbers, number line, zero, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and properties of whole numbers. Children, let us explore whole numbers. Whole numbers are a set of numbers including all natural numbers and zero. They are a part of real numbers that do not include fractions, decimals, or negative numbers. Counting numbers are also considered as whole numbers. Let us learn everything about whole numbers, the whole numbers definition, along with whole number examples in this video. What are whole numbers? Natural numbers along with zero are referred to as whole numbers. We know that natural numbers refer to a set of counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In simple words, whole numbers are a set of numbers without fractions, decimals, or even negative integers. It is a collection of positive integers and zero. Or we can say that whole numbers are the set of non-negative integers. The primary difference between natural and whole numbers is the presence of zero in the whole number set. Set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers includes the set of natural numbers along with the number 0. The set of whole numbers in mathematics is given as 0, 1, 2, 3, which is denoted by the symbol W. W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are some facts about whole numbers, which will help you understand them better. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All counting numbers are whole numbers. All positive integers, including 0, are whole numbers. All whole numbers are real numbers. Every whole number is a rational number. Children, do you know whole number symbol? The symbol used to represent whole numbers is the alphabet W in the uppercase. W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number because whole number starts from 0. 0 is a number that lies between the positive and negative numbers on a number line. Although 0 carries no value, it is used as a placeholder. So, 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number. List of whole numbers. The list of whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on till infinity. Natural numbers and whole numbers. From the above definitions, we can understand that every whole number other than 0 is a natural number. Also, every natural number is a whole number. So the set of natural numbers is a part of the set of whole numbers or a subset of whole numbers. Now let us see the difference between whole numbers and natural numbers. Let us understand the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers with the help of the table given below. Whole number. The set of whole numbers is W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is N is equal to 1, 2, 3. The smallest whole number is 0. The smallest natural number is 1. Every natural number is a whole number. Every whole number is a natural number except 0. Now let us see the number on a line. To draw a number line, follow these steps. Draw a line and mark a point 0 on it. Now mark the second point to the right of 0 and label it as 1. The distance between the 0 and 1 is called the unit distance. Now you can mark other points as 2, 3, 4 and so on with a unit distance. This is the number line for the whole numbers. The distance between 2 points. The distance between 3 and 5 is 2 units. Likewise, the distance between 1 and 6 is 5 units. The greater number on the number line. The number on the right is always greater than the number on the left. As number 5 is on the right of the number 2, hence 5 is greater than 2. A smaller number on the number line. The number on the left of any number is always smaller than that number. As number 3 is on the left of 7, so 3 is less than 7. Now, let us see the addition on the number line. If we have to add 2 and 5, then start with 2 and make 5 jumps to the right. As our fifth jump is at 7, so the answer is 7. The sum of 2 and 5 is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Subtraction on the number line. If we have to subtract 6 from 10, then we have to start from 10 and make 6 jumps to the left. As our 6th jump is at 4, so the answer is 4. The subtraction of 6 from 10 is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Multiplication on the number line. If we have to multiply 4 and 3, then start from 0. Make 4 jumps using 3 units at a time to the right as you reach to 12. So we say 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Children, now let us see the patterns. Patterns are used for easy verbal calculations and to understand the numbers better. We can arrange the numbers using dots in elementary shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, and line. We can arrange every number using dots in a line. We can arrange some numbers using a rectangle. We can arrange some numbers using a square. We can arrange some numbers using a triangle. Use of patterns. Patterns can be used to simplify the process. 123 plus 9 is equal to 123 plus 10 minus 1. Is equal to 133 minus 1 equals to 132. 123 plus 99 is equal to 123 plus 100 minus 1 equals to 223 minus 1 equals to 222. 83 into 9 is equal to 83 into 10 minus 1. 83 into 10, 830 minus 83 into 1, 83 is equal to 747. 83 into 99 is equal to 83 into 100 minus 1 is equal to 83 into 100 is equal to 8300 minus 83 into 1, 83 is equal to 8217. Points to remember. Whole numbers include 0, 1, 2, 3 and continue infinitely without fractions or negatives. Natural numbers start from 1 and do not include 0, while whole numbers do. The smallest whole number is 0, which is neither positive nor negative. Use the number line to visualize and perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Patterns in whole numbers can simplify calculations and help in understanding number relationships. Thanks for watching.